Hi there, welcome back to Alpha Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about Clear C2 CRM, which is basically a CRM, okay, customer relationship management software. First of all, we can see the headline is quite clear and the subheadline is very transparent as well, which is good. If we scroll down, we can see a lot of an instant credibility element in terms of the logos of the reviewing platforms, where they are getting a lot of uh, high average ratings on G2, Capterra, GitHub, and SourceForge. Okay, while they've been voted as the best CRM most affordable since 1993, which is quite impressive. And here they go more in depth about all the features that they offer, like increasing sales, analytics, customer satisfaction, marketing automation, and so on and so forth. Okay, and then here they also offer a reason why you should switch to this CRM. They're stating that the reason why the difference because they've developed a custom CRM solution over the past 25 years. So it shows that they've been in business for a long time. Okay, and they use your business to process to transform your business into a customer focused organization. Okay, so this is really interesting from a comparison standpoint. Here we can see more credibility and social proof in terms of the brands that we've already worked with. And we can also see some really good testimonials in terms of, for example, Lance stating that C2 CRM is easy to use with robust features, or Clark saying that this is the best CRM in the industry. What I would say is potentially adding the actual title of the person giving the review and even the company that they work for might be helpful to increase the conversions and add credibility. Also, we've got a frequently asked questions section that you can go and click on if you wanted to get more information, which is good for to handle any objections that prospect might have before making a purchasing decision. Okay. Um, and I guess potentially they could have added a contact form at the top of the page to increase the number of opt-ins by potentially incentivizing the prospects with a lead magnet, a freebie, a discount, or anything that would get the prospect to exchange their contact details with you. If we go and check on the pricing, just to complete the video, we can see that pricing is also quite clear. Each feature is clearly explained underneath each a tier, and you can check which one is better for you based on the tier that you're looking for. Okay, right. So I guess from a customer conversion optimization standpoint, what I would say is in order to find out how to optimize a website, we would usually try and use some heat maps, things like click maps or scroll maps, which are tools that will allow us to find out where most of the attention of the prospects is based in. And then with that information, we can then run some A/B tests and see if the variant can increase the conversions by simply, for example, changing the placement of certain elements on the page, like CTAs or text, or even changing some of the copy to see if the conversions of the website actually goes up. Okay. But other than that, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like this. And if you are a SaaS founder and you would like to increase your conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description. Otherwise, I hope you have a nice day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.